Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. It's very late and or early, I guess, on August 1st. So it is time to do the drawing for the July crochet calendar. And this month for July, or I guess for last month for July, this was what we were making was this trivet. You were supposed to do, I think they call it a slip single crochet. Excuse me. Where you're supposed to put you do a single crochet. Excuse me. And you start the next stitch. You do in between the V's of your single crochet. So like in this spot right there. Pardon me. And I find that to be very difficult particularly because you're carrying the yarn through. I found it just to be hard. And in this blue yarn, with it being like the washed kind of look to it, I was just having such a hard time seeing it and knowing where to put my stitch, put my hook. I just did regular single crochet, so mine got very large very quick, and I didn't put all 3 stars in it. I'm like, no, I'm done. I was running out of yarn. So this is mine. And it's a little bit like larger at one end than at the other end. It's not like a really good square. And that's because I have tension issues. Sometimes I'm tighter than other times. I don't know what else it could be. But that was mine, and at the end of the video will be everybody else's that sent me pictures. And all your names are in the drawing. You will win a $25 gift card to wherever you want that I can do US dollars e-card thing. Whoa, sorry. I have had winners, go to Etsy or to a local store, like a local yarn shop, and they would allow me to, do a gift card. So it could be Amazon, it could be any place that you want. Joann's, Michael's, anywhere that would allow me to send you US dollars gift card. For August, this is our project, hat and booties. So if you want to enter, it's hashtag CGC Crochet Cal, or CGC Crochet, Cal 2022. I know it's kind of long. But you put a picture on my Facebook group page or email it to me, and that enters you. You don't have to do the hat from the Annie's Crochet Calendar, because not everybody has the calendar. I just think, it was a cute idea. I'm not getting a whole lot of participation, so maybe this month will be better with it being a hat and booties. So you can do a hat and slippers, for an adult if you want. If you don't know or have any little kids to do that, to give to, a hat and slippers, a hat and booties, a hat. Yeah, but I guess that's it. A hat, a scarf, hat, and leg warmers. Maybe would work. And then, the picture I have to receive a picture by a Facebook group, which will be linked, and you can join, and it's free and it's simple. I don't even ask questions. You can just join. So you do the hat thing with the slipper of your choice. You can do what's in the calendar. So I hope that you participate, and then you put on if you put it on the Facebook group page, it's just an easy way to, to show me that you participated. You put the hashtag CGC Crochet Cal 2022. If you don't put it, if you forget, I will add it when I see the picture on the group page, so that I can just pull up, and it'll give me everybody that's been entered. And then again, as I said, you can email the picture if you don't have Facebook. It's not that I'm trying to do a Facebook giveaway. It's just that I just have, that's an easy way for you to show me the picture. Or you can email it to me. So anyway, I put the names in this bag. Isn't it cute? Because I'm on the couch. And we will pick a winner for a $25 gift card. And I'm going to try to do Vlogmas. We've had some illness in the family. This will be the first Vlogmas, or not Vlogmas, Vlogist for August. So I got one on the first, and so far so good. So this is Vlogist Day 1, winner picked crochet calendar for July, and the winner is Barbara McCleary. So Barbara, email me if you can. It's not showing, but congratulations to you. Email me your email address that you would like the e-gift card sent to and where you want it from, and I'll be glad to get that out to you as soon as possible. And I think it's just a short video right now because I don't have anything finished that I didn't show you already, because I did finish the shawl, the Hugs Are Free shawl. I finished that. I can show you this. I made that sweater for Chloe, that boho top, and her mother wants one, so I'm using this fresco fiber. This was a Hobby Lobby clearance last year, and this color is called Linen, and I'm going to tell you, this is a nice yarn. It's a 3-weight. It's a 3.5 ounce, 100 grams, 290 yards, 265 meters, 59% cotton, 36% acrylic, 5% other fibers. I don't know what those other fibers are, but this yarn is really, really soft. I'm like, why didn't I ever discover this before? Because now you can't get it anymore. But this is really, really soft. Amanda saw the first of the squares. She picked out the yarn and the color. But I have 4 squares out of 8 that I made mostly today in the car. Let me grab a couple of them, but I'll put the corners together. And this is what they're looking like. They are about 8 inches because I'm using a 7mm hook. It's a clover hook. But there's 4 squares here, and I'm pretty sure I need to make 8. And I really, really like it. I do have to go back to the video, and I will link it in the description below. But I do have to go back to the video to, because I can't remember if I have 8 squares. I think I make 8, so I'm like halfway done. And then it's so cute. So that's what I started that today because I had finished the shawl, and I'm going to do a shawl for Luck of the Draw. And but I haven't picked out that yarn yet, so I don't have anything to show you for that. And I'm going to try to get some things completed this month but I did visit with the grandkids today, and all 4 of my grandkids were here today. And two of them were asking me, can you make me this? Can you make me that? Can you make me this? All amigurumis. So I have a big list of amigurumis I need to make now. I'm going to try to continue to do, I don't know that I'm going to do any more hats and scarves for wings because I have to get them out to Rose. I would love to be able to go visit with her. I just don't know that I have time to do that right now. And I know she needs those for September, so I'll definitely do Judy's for the beginning of the month. I don't know if I'll get to it for the 15th of the month. And Judy's Witch Piece Craft, you know, the album covers. And then I'm doing the hat and scarf sets for wings out of the album covers. So I don't know if I'll be able to continue with that. I'm just getting overwhelmed with, I don't have enough time to keep up with what I'm trying to do. And I don't want to be overwhelmed because it's crochet, you know. It's supposed to be fun and relaxing. But I can't get everything done this summer. Summer is just killing me as far as that goes. Too much other things to do. But I am going to, like I said, try to do Vlogmas. So this is Vlogmas day, not Vlogmas, Vlogust, day 1, 2022, in the books. See you tomorrow. Bye.